Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows search issue by taskbar. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So let's start the video. First you see I search in my Windows search bar, but it's not working. So for fixing this issue, just press Ctrl Alt Delete and here click on details. Now navigate to search filter host, click on this, end task, then end process. Now click on search indexer, end task, end process. So here you can see these are not shown here. So just close this. Now you can see I search for Chrome and it's working. I search for PyCharm, it's also working. PowerPoint. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.